Today we're going to show you some of the best luxury properties here in Madrid. It is arguably one of the most livable and the most tax-friendly city in Spain. And we're showing you properties from 7 million all the way up to 25 million euros, including one property that's never been seen or lived in ever before. A lot of people have told us over the years their wives will only move overseas with them if they can go to Spain. In my opinion, Madrid is the most elegant, the most livable, the most international, and yes, the most tax-friendly place to live in Spain. And if you want to live here in luxury, this is how you do it.
Hi, my name is Victoria. Nice to meet you.
What is it we have here?
So today we have an apartment for sale for just under 8 million euros, and it's just been refurbished. The floors and some parts of the house were kept from the 19th century, just as the building, so it's pretty cool.
So this is the Salamanca district, which I think is the most exclusive central city district.
100%.
And how big is this apartment?
Pretty big for Madrid standards. 500 meters square with 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms.
All on one floor. Why don't you show us around?
Follow me. So here we have the first living room. You might hear the floor squeaking. That's because it's been preserved in its pine wood from the 19th century. This is your first living space with view to the main road. Some balconies.
So they've refurbished everything from soup to nuts.
Yes.
And am I buying the apartment furnished or is this staged?
Everything is furnished. So the apartment comes with the price and even the moldings. So if you look up, all that is also being preserved and naturally was here more than 100 years ago.
Is that an egg and dart molding? They don't make them like that anymore.
That's because it's Madrid. The dining area with a nice sofa. This is natural stone, very special type of stone that's been custom made especially for this dining area.
And this is made here in Spain?
It's unrefined, yes.
Yeah, it's like they didn't fill it.
Exactly.
It's just left natural. Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's it. That's the champagne you're looking for.
We don't have to go anywhere.
All super stylish, marble throughout, pieces of art. Another beautiful.
Here's your wet bar.
Yeah, your hidden
with
section.
This sort of, yeah.
Nice and red, so it's a little bit romantic if you want it to be.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Kitchen with marble throughout. We've got French, old style looking.
This is old school.
Yeah, this is a French lacquering. Another hidden space for your second kitchen. So here you can make a toast and then close off the mess you've made. You've got marble everywhere and connected to the TV area. So you could kind of say it's your second living area, but they want to call it a TV area, which connects to the corridor, which then takes you into all the bedrooms of the house. 5 bedrooms. Also, you have the door which separates for some privacy. So if you want to be nice and quiet, you have that possibility. This one is probably for your guests, since you've got 2 bedrooms, you have to sleep separated from your partner.
Is this like a 1950s sitcom?
That's it. You might touch hands if you want to. Second bedroom with, again, an ensuite bathroom.
It is retro, for sure.
Yeah.
Hello, let's get Victoria on the blow-up.
So here we have another bedroom, which is pretty much similar design to what we've seen. This could be a laundry room, or you could make, and you have another exit, yeah.
You've got your private staff exit.
The best for the last, which is the master bedroom. I mean, check out the size of this ensuite. You've got makeup sections, bath, shower. You have 2 walk-in wardrobes here. This one is for him, which is the smaller one. All right.
You're such a sexist.
And that is the queen's walk-in wardrobe. I think it's pretty cozy. You've got even the soft touches on the furniture. And here is the master. It's pretty big for Salamanca. I mean, we're in the center of Madrid.
Is that our apartment over there?
That's exactly the kitchen, yes.
That's the kitchen where we were.
So we've walked through all this corridor.
That gives you a lot of depth. There's a lot of corridor here. So that's what 7.5 million euros gets you for this beautifully remodeled home in the center of Madrid. Now we're going to go about 15 minutes drive outside of the city center and see a 25 million euro mansion that's never been seen before.
Let's go there. Today, for the first time ever, we are revealing the most exclusive property available for sale in Spain. 25 million euros in the best district of Madrid, La Moradeja.
Tell me about the neighborhood. Is this where Eva Longoria would live in Madrid?
100%. David Beckham, all the big...
This is the Beverly Hills of Spain.
100%. You've got 25 schools here, and that's why it attracts all the international buyers. You've got all the best restaurants, shops, and everything within walking distance, 5 minutes away.
So if you are a wealthy family coming to live in Madrid because your wife wants to come here to Madrid,
100%.
this is where you'd come for all the schools to send your kids.
This is the only place where you'd come to in Madrid. There is no other place like that.
And is 25 million euros the top of the market in this neighborhood? Is this the prime property?
Yeah. We start probably from around 4 million.
4 million euros,
Yes.
all the way up to the creme de la creme, 25 million euros.
Exactly, which is where we are today.
Let's take a look.
Welcome to the first floor of the house, where we have 5 bedrooms, including the master one, which is 180 meters square, including the walk-in wardrobe and the ensuite bathroom, and that's something that's definitely gonna blow your mind. Welcome to the master. The most impressive space in this room, in my opinion, is, follow me, the walk-in wardrobe.
You have room for, say, 80 pairs of shoes here?
Probably 100 pairs of shoes.
100 pairs, 120 pairs. How many pairs of Louboutins would you have if you're moving in?
Oof. I don't even know, but all I know is that this all is custom made. It has leather throughout, and it's been custom made, and
How do I?
all you do is just, you have to press.
At the press.
So it's all custom made with the best materials available from Italy.
This is all Italian.
All Italian, custom made in Milan, especially for this walk-in wardrobe. And the ensuite bathroom of the master bedroom. We've got freestanding bathtub, floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows looking out to the incredible views, different types of wood, different marble, different stones. So basically the reason why there is no furniture in the house yet, because there isn't such a company with such a quality of the furniture to equal with the house in Spain. So for this reason, the owner has not put yet the furniture, because the price estimated for the furnishing of this house would be around 2 million euros.
So 2 million euros, you're going to furnish it, and you're going to bring things in from Italy?
Exactly, that's the plan.
There's no custom furniture in Spain?
No.
Really?
So there is the owner collaborates and works with one of the best furniture manufacturers in the world, which is based in Italy, and they already have a plan which the potential buyer could use and furnish the house.
And so how long to make the custom furniture?
I would assume it's about 3 to 4 months.
So this is the bedroom area where you'll put your custom bed. I was hoping there was a bed here.
An interesting fact, which we mentioned in the beginning when we were entering, is that this bedroom is basically the size of 2 average apartments in Spain, which is normally about 100 to 120 meters square. So this is double that. So that's pretty impressive.
I mean, this wardrobe could be its own apartment here.
So a very sophisticated corridor that connects 3 bedrooms, which are pretty much similar to each other, and these picture floor-to-ceiling windows which look out into your private garden, and the entrance of the home is pretty impressive. And another walk-in wardrobe, which is not too shabby if you think of it as the guest walk-in wardrobe in the guest bedroom. So impressive, with all the custom-made carpentry, LED lights, and all that, of course, next to your main bedroom. Out of the 3 ones that we are seeing, all the 4 levels of the house are connected with this lift, which now will take us into the roof terrace. Let's go. Roof terrace, 360 degrees views. What do you think about it?
So for everyone who talks about Southern California living in the United States, this is Madrid living. You've got your open doors, you've got this beautiful garden.
So, Mr. Henderson, the best for the last, cherry on the cake. Get ready to be surprised.
It is warm in here, so Madrid is not what you might expect in the south of Spain. It gets chilly here, like
Yes.
Southern California vibes in the winter. So you've got your lap pool in the winter, And then upstairs, you've got your outdoor pool for year-round.
100%. And also you have your sauna and your steam room right here, connected. And this space, of course, you can customize.
Do another event space.
Yeah.
Put
Make
some
pool parties.
Pool parties.
Bring all the 200 people from upstairs to downstairs. And here we have a garage, which is a fit for the king. Museum of cars, literally, which will reflect perfectly in these reflecting ceilings in the garage.
You're in one of the best neighborhoods. You're still paying about 8,300 euros per meter for the under roof space.
Exactly.
Does that include the terrace?
Correct.
Okay, so the terrace, you have to take it out. But you're probably at 10,000 euros a meter.
Which is not too bad considering the average prices for meter square in Madrid is about 4,000.
I imagine the challenge in Spain, though, is taxes. What's it going to cost me to buy this on top of the price?
Each region has its own taxation. In Madrid region, we have between 4 to 6%. 4% you get if you are family numerosa, which means that you are a family which has more than 3 children. But if you don't have 3 children, then you pay the average of 6% upon purchasing the house.
So it's €1 million to buy this if you're with children.
That's it.
And if you're not, then it's $1.5 million.
Then it's 6%, exactly.
And so to carry this, property tax, what's that going to cost?
So that's called IBI, and in Madrid region, in this house specifically, it's going to cost 9,000 euros per year only to be.
That seems really cheap for
is.
Spain. Between that and the Beckham law, this is why a lot of wealthy people who come to Spain would live in Madrid.
Barcelona and Madrid prices here will not change, even if the other parts of Spain will.
They always say that. But at least in the meantime, you're only paying 9,000 euros a year in tax. So there's an idea of some of the best properties at some of the highest price points in Madrid. This is truly luxury living, and as you can see at this property, you can customize it to what you want. A lot of families want to move to Spain. A lot of Americans and other people want to take advantage of the so-called Beckham law to legally reduce their taxes and have that sort of Southern California living here in tax-friendly Madrid. Leave a comment below. Which property is your favorite? Would you consider moving to Madrid? And subscribe. Don't miss any more of our real estate tours. And don't miss Live Like a King in Madrid. It's luxury living here in the heart of Spain.
This is how to live like a king in Medellin.
This is Medellin like you've never seen it before.